Good morning, dear students. Hope you are all busy preparing for your exam, final examination, isn't it? And today we are coming to the last class on transformation. We are going to work out the last 3-4 exercises, exercise number 17, 18, 19 and 20 in this class. With that, we will be finishing this chapter. Okay, now let's look at the exercises. Exercise number 17, the materials I have already sent you yesterday. Okay, convert the following complex sentence into compound. Complex to compound. Okay, one example is given: you will feel blessed if you show mercy to others. You will feel blessed if you show mercy to others. See, if you feel mercy to others, this is the subordinating conjunction with the subordinating clause, and this is the coordinating clause. So it is a complex sentence. One coordinate clause and one subordinating clause with the subordinating conjunction. What is a complex? Now we have to change that to compound sentence. What is that? What is speciality of compound sentence? It has got two coordinate clauses or two clauses of equal rank connected with a coordinating conjunction. Okay, so we have to change this into a coordinate clause, and this conjunction also got changed. Show mercy to others. Show mercy to others. Show is a verb. Subject is you. It is not mentioned here. So this is one coordinate clause, the new coordinate clause that is made, and is a subordinating conjunction. Sorry, coordinating conjunction that comes under cumulative. Okay, and you will feel blessed. That is the clause that is already existing there. So now you have got, this is a coordinate clause, this is a coordinate clause connected with the coordinating conjunction, and we have a compound sentence made. Is that clear? Okay, now let's look at a few more examples. He is more a philosopher than a poet. He is more a philosopher than a poet. He is a poet, but more of a philosopher. He is a poet, but more of a philosopher. But is a conjunction. Next, as soon as I heard a whispering sound from near the door, I switched on the light. As soon as I heard a whispering sound from near the door, I switched on the light. I heard a whispering sound from the door and immediately switched on the light. Okay, I heard a whispering sound from near the door and immediately switched on the light. Okay, the rest you can do for yourself. Now the next three exercises are miscellaneous. Okay, that is transform as directed. Okay, for each sentence there will be a direction given at the bracket, what we normally call the do as directed. Accordingly we have to do it. Asa is one of the brightest students of the class. Use the comparative degree. Asa is brighter than most other students of the class. One of the is come. Okay, Asa is one of the brightest students of the class. So that is why most other. Okay, when we were going through, I had told you that we should keep that in mind. Asa is one of the brightest students of the class. Asa is brighter than most other students of the class. How devastating the tsunami proved to be. How devastating the tsunami proved to be. Change into an assertive sentence. The tsunami proved to be very devastating. The tsunami proved to be very devastating. Devastating means that brings in lot of damage. Okay, that is what is devastating or very strong in its power. He is too arrogant. Okay, I forgot to tell that. The distinguished visitor received a warm welcome at the airport. The distinguished visitor received a warm welcome at the airport. Fine. Use adverb of warm. Warm, its adverb warmly. The distinguished visitor was warmly received at the airport. The distinguished guest was warmly received at the airport. Next, this is from exercise number 19. As soon as Rohit entered his office, he was summoned by his boss. Summoned means called. As soon as Rohit entered his office, he was summoned by his boss. Use no sooner than. No sooner did Rohit enter his office. No sooner did Rohit enter his office than he was summoned by his boss. Than he was summoned by his boss. It is believed that he gave wrong information at the time of the interview. It is believed that he gave wrong information at the time of the interview. Change into a simple sentence. He is believed to have given wrong information at the time of the interview. He is believed to have given wrong information at the time of interview. Next, a large crowd was in pursuit of the chain snatcher. Use the verb form of pursuit. A large crowd was in pursuit of the chain snatcher, was behind him to catch hold of him. That's what is pursuit of the chain snatcher, the one who pulls out the chains, gold chains, and run away. Okay, a large crowd was pursuing. Was pursuing is a verb of the chain snatcher. Sorry, a large crowd was pursuing the chain snatcher. No, of there. A large crowd was pursuing the chain snatcher. Now, exercise number 20. Even if you are very careful, you are sure to make a mistake sometime or the other. Even if you are very careful, you are sure to make a mistake sometime or the other. Use still. You may be very careful, still you are sure to make a mistake sometime or the other. You may be very careful, still you are sure to make a mistake sometime or the other. Next, as the decision has already been taken, it is no point discussing the issue. As the decision has already been taken, it is no point discussing the issue. Use therefore. The decision has already been taken, therefore it is no point discussing the issue. Okay, the decision has already been taken, therefore it is no point discussing the issue. Next, my uncle financially supported me, otherwise I could not have completed my studies. Begin the sentence with the but for. But for my uncle's financial support, I could not have completed my studies. but for my uncle's apostrophe s financial support, I could not have completed my studies. Okay, so that's all, my dear students. I stop here, and by that we complete the chapter also. Prepare well and get ready for the exam. Thank you.